have an interesting setup right here on USD, which is a 1 to 32 risk reward ratio. Make sure you watch to the very end so that you can see what made me come to this particular decision right here. All right, so I'm looking for a 98 pip target and a 3 pip stop loss, making it a 1 to 32 risk reward ratio. All right, so let me just show you where I'm coming from and everything else. So let's head to the 4-hour time frame where I always start from. So you can see that the overall trend of this particular market has been to the downside for the longest time. So therefore, I'm looking for selling opportunities. Okay, so if you zoom in right here, you're going to realize that we have this outmost high right here, and then these are the lows right there. Okay, and then we have something in the middle right here, and as you can see, the market came and actually tested this area right here. Interesting, right? So let's go to the 2-hour time frame and see what is happening right there. So we had this nice rally based drop supply zone which broke structure to the downside, and after that we saw the market actually coming into this area, reacting from that zone, and beautifully we saw the market dropping. Perfect. Let's drop to a 30 minutes time frame. All right, so you can see that the market beautifully reacted from that level right there and then pushed to the downside. And as the market was pushing to the downside, we saw the market breaking structure. And as the market was doing that, so you can see that the market was actually creating some sort of liquidity, which is trendline liquidity, right? And for us to get involved, I'm looking for a confirmed entry like the one we had on the previous trade, which is gold and Euro GBP. So exactly what I'm waiting for right now. After the market has already touched this area, I'm going to wait for the market now to somehow break this liquidity which is being left behind right here, then come into my zone like that before I can actually look for selling opportunities right here, which will be a confirmed entry. As you can see, the first touch here, it's really not certain, but for me to get involved, I want to see the market actually taking out this liquidity, then coming into my POI right here before I can sell this particular market. This will give me a confirmation that the market is actually going to the downside, and that's the only time I'm going to get involved. And mind you, the market can just come here and go all the way to this level right here. That's the reason why I don't use pending orders. I use alert. So what I'm going to simply do is just set an alert right here, and the market will tell me when the market has actually come to my area, and then I'm going to decide whether to enter that particular trade or not based on the price action the market is going to present itself. All right, so that's very, very important in the market. So let's go to the lower time frame to see what was happening there, why I chose that order block right there. So you have to go to the lower time frame, and you can see even on the 5 minutes time frame, it was clear that we had a nice rally based drop supply zone which broke structure to the downside, and you can see multiple touches right here. From here you can actually extend it from there. You can see that the market touched this level here, here, here. So what I'm anticipating is for the market to actually take out all these people right here, take out most likely the high or the low of the Asian session, then come into this POI right here, and that's the only time I'm going to get involved if the market actually does that. If it doesn't, well and good, I'm not going to do anything. I'm going to look for other setups which I've already shared in our mentorship community right here. So if you check, all these setups have already been shared, and I'm only going to get involved if the market actually does exactly what I think it's going to do. If it doesn't, then we'll move on to look for other setups. Otherwise, this looks promising. I like how it's presenting. Let's see how the market opens on Monday, and I'll be able to share this in our signals community if the market actually comes to our area and does exactly what we want it to do. All right, so you guys, if you've been wanting to join our M&F mentorship community or mastery course, this is a time that you can actually join our program, because we are running a 30% off promotion which is ending on the 31st of December. Make sure you take advantage of this offer because it doesn't come out every time, right? So make sure you check the first link in the description. It comes with lifetime mentorship, free trading journal, free trading plan, free access to me where you're able to ask me questions whenever you have any. All right, so you guys, I hope you found value in this video. If you have, Make sure to subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section. Until next time, goodbye.